How to delete a Facebook page in 2025. Firstly, click 3D line. Then scroll down and search and click Setting and Privacy. Again click Setting option. Then scroll down, find out Access and Control. And click it. And click Delete Page. This is permanent. Click the circle point and again click Continue option. Again click Continue option. Again click Continue option and enter your password. Enter your Facebook password and click Continue option. Then the page is information. The page delete 30 days is logging is as account setting. Click Delete the page. At last you saw my page also delete. The page is delete 30 days waiting for delete. Please subscribe my channel and wait for next video.